You are going to love the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine, which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.